Hi, welcome to week 4. So, by now you might be wondering, when are we going to get to the good stuff? Well, we have a little bit of a ways to go yet. We're still building our base here. But this week we're going to introduce you to HIPAA, the Affordable Care Act, and a little bit about compliance. HIPAA, you will become familiar with because you have to take HIPAA awareness training sometime this fall. But HIPAA was a major impact on compliance of facilities in order to comply with regulations. And HIPAA really concerned a patient's right to privacy and security, but it had other facets to it too. When I talk about compliance, compliance serves to monitor that processes are done correctly and to ensure that employees know the regulations. So every facility has a compliance officer and or a privacy officer. Those roles might be combined or they could be separate. But all these initiatives, HIPAA, the Affordable Care Act, etc., they were intertwined with patient safety, security, and privacy, which are key components of healthcare delivery in today's world. So the PowerPoints for this week are divided into halves. It is chunked so you can review it in blocks rather than all at one lecture, so you will need to watch each chunk and look at each PowerPoint and read the transcripts for each PowerPoint. So HIPAA. By now you probably have heard of HIPAA, and if you haven't, the whole world has. It is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It has been around now for several years, and you will encounter this in all of your courses in the HIT program. It's covered more extensively in legal aspects of health information in the spring semester. We have a unit on privacy and an entire unit on security. And at this point, though, what you just need to be aware of is the components of HIPAA and its impact on healthcare, and also to start becoming familiar with some of the terms related to HIPAA. The Affordable Care Act is also known as Obamacare, which I'm sure you've heard of, and that was a big initiative by the government. One of its goals was to improve patient care and safety, so this will be introduced here too. So what's important in this unit is that you understand HIPAA and the Affordable Care Act in relation to the delivery of healthcare services. And I would like to remind you again that the content in this week will be shared again in this class and in future classes. It's not going to be the first time you hear it. It is a foundation of healthcare, and it really does direct everything we pretty much do in today's world. So keep in mind what they say, 7 times for content to sink in. So have a good week, and we will see you on week 5. If you have any questions, just always be sure to get hold of me. Thank you.